Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering a fuel tank for a 76, 77 KZ900A, and this will also work on a 77 KZ1000A. If you look at the inside, it's absolutely beautiful. We just got done doing the treatment on it. It is not lined. However, it is zinc coated from the factory. I don't really see any dents. Got a few scratches on the gas cap. That is an original gas cap. And obviously, it still accepts the emblems, which you can see. The emblems are not really nice, but they're okay. So, looking it over, it looks pretty good. You'll have to really look for the dents because I don't see any. And the bottom of the tank is pretty nice. It takes the valve that threads on. So, like I said, 77 KZ1000A, 76, 77 KZ900A. This will fit other motorcycles, but it is correct for the models I've talked about. Possible low-cost shipping available on request depending where you live. Local pickup is okay, but this will be on our webpage. All right, well, thanks for looking.